Region's public health teams are reminding us that often it's the simplest things we can do to keep ourselves healthy and happy this winter.
Yeah, we can all play our parts to minimise the spread of germs and protect ourselves and each other from colds and bugs.
And they're now taking that message into schools, as Jamal Williams-Thomas reports.
Especially at this time of year, when lots of people are getting cold, so we're going to learn and practice how to wash our hands properly.
Winter is coming, but the bugs have already arrived. The pupils here at Lady Mount Catholic Primary School in Pensby are learning how best to keep them away so they don't miss any school.
All learning builds on prior learning, so if the children have missed a day, they've missed that prior learning, and it makes it more difficult for them to catch up. They also miss social opportunities with their friends, and it also creates problems for their parents who are having to rely on grandparents and call in favours, or maybe even have to miss work themselves.
74% of parents and carers have taken time off in the last year to look after sick children. The Simple Things campaign is to remind us of, well, the simple things, and to do what Gabrielle is doing here and wash your hands.
So we're here today to talk about hand washing. So what do you know about hand washing? Do you wash your hands when you come in from the playground?
Yeah.
They need to wash their hands after playing. That's not to say we want to stop them playing at all, but it's important for them to wash their hands before eating, after going to the toilet, and if they cough or sneeze into their hands. And washing them properly with soap and water is really important. It is simple, but it's back to basics and doing the basic things that keep us well and also protect others from getting ill.
In a study by Champs, 2/5 of parents said they struggled to get their children to wash their hands regularly. Alongside the survey, scientists had a look at swabs from a range of items, including toys and outdoor play areas. So you've got some bacterial samples here. If you could just show me what you've got.
OK, so this is the kind of sample that we've been analysing, and you can see here there's a huge diversity of bacteria. One of the bacteria that we found from one of the swabs was Enterococcus. This type of bacteria is often responsible for multiple different types of illnesses in humans. You usually have to be immunocompromised to be poorly from this particular bacterium, and it is quite common to find it in our environment, but we were surprised how much we found from our particular swabs.
So what have we learnt today?
Always wash your hands if you touch something dirty or... It's important to wash your hands, and if you cook or eat or get lots of germs on your hands. If you don't wash your hands, you might get lots of people sick, and people don't want to be sick.
Perfect. So in short, wash your hands. Jamal Williams-Thomas, ITV News, Pensby.
Yeah, I think those kids could teach a lot of grown-ups a lesson or two about washing your hands.
Sage advice.
Wash your hands, people. Don't be gross. Next to an extremely rare...